Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle relish from cucumbers. First, gather your fresh cucumbers and other vegetables. Wash them thoroughly, then finely chop about 4 pounds of cucumbers and 2 large onions. Next, combine these chopped vegetables in a large bowl with 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Let this mixture stand for at least 3 hours to draw out excess water, then drain it very well. Now, let's prepare the flavorful brine for your relish. In a large pot, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of celery seed for that classic relish taste. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. It gives the relish its beautiful golden color and a subtle earthy note. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Once your brine is simmering, it's time to add the prepared vegetables. Carefully add the thoroughly drained cucumber and onion mixture to the hot brine in the pot. Bring the entire relish mixture back to a full boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the relish has thickened slightly and the flavors have melded beautifully. It will smell amazing. Finally, let's get your delicious relish ready for storage. Carefully ladle the hot relish into clean, hot pint or half-pint canning jars, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal. Place the lids and bands on securely. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. This ensures your homemade pickle relish will be shelf-stable and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.